Alright, my wife's minimalism videos are rubbing off on me. And she watches a lot of stuff that come up with these people wanting to get rid of a certain number of things during the course of the video or over a period of time. And one of the biggest reasons why I have a hard time keeping all this under control is because there's just so much of it. So I'm taking a little bit of cue from her videos, and I'm gonna make this about grabbing 100 things that I have in here that I'm probably never going to use anyway and chuck them. My wife's actually going to give me a hand with this by holding up stupid things that I have in here and asking me, why do you have this? So I can just get rid of it. So, 100 items. That shouldn't take long. We're going to get rid of this. Wait, are you counting? So, that was off the same washing machine. I'm counting that as one item then. So, let's say 5, 6, 11, an X-ray control and an old dental light. 15 and 16. Old broken clocks for Honda. 18? Wait, what are we at? 16? 17? 17. 18, 19. Another dental light. I think that's 19. 19. 20. Another dental light because I thought I was going to use a whole bunch of these in my shop. Oh, totally. So that's 22, that's metal. 23, another dental light. Yep. 26. I don't even know what it is. 27. 29. Last dental lights. Dental light. So 31. 31. We're going to say 31. 33. 32. 33. Oh, 35. 34, 30. Yeah. 30, 35. Angular scrap. 36. 37. What are we at? Let's say 37. A broken GSXR wheel. 39, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Those are all trash. We're not going to count those. Hard drives that I saved for the magnets like 8 or 9 years ago. 50, 60, wait, I'm counting my tens here. What number were we at?
I don't know.
We're on 50, 51, 52, 53. Can't count by tens. What number I said we were at? 50 something? It's like 45. 46.
I know we were at 50.
Were we at 50? 51. My wife says we were at 50, and I don't think she's counting everything.
Something, but I don't know what.
We'll say 50. 52. Those weren't mine, so they don't count. 54. 55. This was our original TV stand. Any reason to keep it? I don't think so. 56. One of those things, if we need another one, they're 20 bucks. 57. 58. 58. Wait, what number did I just say? 59. Hang on, trash. A noose that's followed me around for years. 61.
62.
Old fork spacer shims for a bike I don't have. There's 40 of them, but I don't think I'm going to count it that way. 63. Motorcycle clip-ons. These things are things that break real easily if you wreck your bike. So people want to buy them, but I don't remember what they're from. So what number is it, Leah? 66. I can't remember what they're from, I can't sell them. An old stereo that I accidentally blew up. 69. Beat up exhaust fittings. 70. Motorcycle triple tree to something old, but I don't remember what. 74. 75. Broken pillion tag. 76. You know what? I got a bunch of wheels. So, what number did I just say? 76. We're gonna say. Wait, are we in the 70s?
70, I think we're like 79.
Say 78. For an entire motorcycle front end. So 79. Hair valve for a bike I don't have anymore. 80. 81. I'm just going to call it one jumble of wires. 82. I don't even know what it is. 83. A bent fork for a CBR 1000. Oh, that was 85? Is that 85? 85. Our number is going to be crazy. How many things did you actually throw away? 86. I don't even know what this is to. I don't know what it's for. I don't need to keep it. Yeah, 86. I don't know. 86. 86. 87. Dental water bottles. I don't even know why. So that's 88, 89, 90? Sure, we're gonna say 90. What number are we at? 90. 90. Most of this is okay, but I'm never gonna use it, so 92. Yeah, 93. That one's scrap metal, so 94. I don't know if that's what we actually have, but that's what we're going to say. I don't know, like a 95, 6, 96, right? We're going to say 96. I don't know what that is, so we're going to say 97. 98. So that's 98, 99. I'm going to get rid of this because I have 40 of them. That's 100. That's 100. Maybe that's 100. It might be 90. It might also be 108.
I'm pretty sure it's over.
Why are you still throwing stuff away? So that would be 101 at least. At least 102. So that's at least 100 things. And that took us probably 45 minutes, I think. I don't know how long we were filming before we actually started. Maybe 30, somewhere in there. But it actually, just trying to throw away 100 things. Of course, I can very vividly remember what all this looked like before I started. And that pile of stuff, the blue tote, that box and that bag, all that's going out. And all that is, all this is empty cardboard. So all that's going out. Let's go ahead and drag that stuff out. I think that makes a considerable difference. I think it made more difference than my 15 minutes on the workbench over there. That emptied up a lot of floor space. What do you think, dear?
So have a lot more work to do.
All right, well, that was, like I said, 100 items in somewhere between 30 minutes and 45 minutes, and it made a noticeable difference. A lot of trash went out, and we'll do another one of these soon. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.